Bernie, what's wrong?
Nothing, sweetie. Oh my God, you were the lucky one.
What?
You could slice cheese on those puppies. I must be the only slob without cheekbones. I'm thinking of getting implants.
But you sounded hysterical.
Oh, sometimes I can't bear to be alone. I'm so glad you've come back into my life, even if you did try to kill me. I'm so excited!
What are we doing here?
We're going to have fun!
Fun?
Yes! It's a four-letter word, I know, but we can still try.
Look, more people want me dead than alive. I'm working for the mafia. The police and the government agency are both on my case. I kill and steal to scrape together a living so that my cousin can fritter it away online and pay off debts. And all the while, people are trying to kill us. What is fun?
Honey, you are stressed.
Goodbye, Florian.
No, you don't, Nico. I need you. I need you to come on this boat trip with me. I need to talk to someone who truly knows me.
When I knew you, you were training to be a shepherd. And you wanted to be a professional wrestler. Actually, maybe it does all make sense.
You understand me. Both of me. Come on, Bryce accidentally left the keys on purpose somewhere I could steal them. You drive, I'll work on my tan. My midriff is really pale.
All right. Let's have fun.
Head out to sea, sailor.
Alright, what's going on everybody? Kasam Sensei here, bringing back some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions. This is the mission called Buoys Ahoy for Bernie, and yes, this is the last of the Bernie's missions. So yeah, pretty cool. So what you do is you just have to get on the boat with him and basically have a fun day, quote unquote. So yeah, so just head to this side of the seaside. Of course, it's not as easy as it's supposed to sound, or as it's supposed to be, as what it's supposed to be planned. Of course, there's some guys here who's gonna come and mess up the party. Okay, so just head here towards this checkpoint to continue on.
Drop anchor, skipper. Ahoy, sailor! Cute guys off the starport brow! Scratch that! Not so cute! Ruzhny Rusi!
Let me see. They don't look like they're on a pleasure cruise. They can't do that to us.
Alright, there you go. They're asked for it. Now just had to take out Dimitri's men. Now of course, to enter this mission, it's good to have lots of armor. Lots of armor, lots of health. Full armor, full health basically. And to get yourself more ammo, basically for a drive-by shooting, just like this one. So yeah, it's pretty cool that I got both these already. But I don't think it's actually possible. I don't know if it's possible. You guys can tell me that. Is it actually even possible to kill them before they reach its destination? I don't know. You guys can tell me that, which I doubt anyway, judging by this chase itself. See, look, I'm just chasing it, going straight. You don't have to follow the path that it's going. Just go straight like I did, and just let him show off for you. You don't have to go into that ramp. I believe that ramp is part of the unique jumps, I believe. Never mind. You don't have to do it. Don't have to follow what he's doing. Just keep on following. So that's why I look. Just chase. Just be patient. Chase. It's not point shooting, because the submachine gun doesn't even have a lot of range, or even a pistol like I'm doing.
I could almost feel it.
Look at that. I don't think it's actually even hitting it or even damaging the boat, because I'm too far away, basically out of range. So let's see what happens. And yes, I attract police attention. How fortunate. Oh well. Now with these cops on boats, didn't start chasing me. Hey, that was tight. Is that the copper boat? No. Cool. Keep chasing it. Just have to be patient. This does take a couple of minutes to chase. Look at that, just sped up for no reason. Alright, there you go. There's a police threat over there. Look at that on the left hand side to the butt of the Russian's boat. And yeah, that boat got taken out. Unbelievable. Now this is the its destination where it does eventually land. Still chase, still chase.
They're making a
and that's it, Bernie.
Landlubbers.
That's it. Now Bernie will just stay in the boat, so I will just follow them on foot. Which these three guys will split up. So I just follow them on foot and then just eliminate them, which makes it a lot easier for me now. Come on. Civilian. Oh well, you died. You got in front of it. Alright, there's this guy. Come on. This guy here, behind here, hiding.
Now don't be a prick.
Later. No, not him. Wrong guy. Almost killed the wrong guy. Here it is. That ugly Russian.
Stay down.
Alright, to the left here, there's just more guy just waiting. Where is he? Is that him? Can't even tell. There he is. Hello. Headshot. He's still alive, can you believe it?
Stay down there.
Alright, now he's dead. And then just have to head back to Bernie, which he'll be just waiting for you on the boat. Oh yeah, here it is.
Noble hero returns from battle.
They're not a problem anymore.
Nico, you are my knight in shining armor. Thank you. I'm sorry our fun day wasn't so very much fun. See you soon.
See you.
Alright, there you go. You get $6,500 to help Bernie eliminate those Russians. And that's it really. That's it really. But of course, this is the last of the Bernie's missions. Certainly not the last time you hear them, because later on in the game, Bernie will actually call you to give you good news.
What's up, Bernie?
I wanted to give you something to say thank you for me and Bryce. Well, he doesn't know I'm giving you this, but he gave it to me, so it's technically from him.
What is it?
This car. Enjoy! I only power walk or take cabs, so I figured I should pass this on to my savior.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
Don't mention it. What we've got is worth more than money.
Alright, there you go. So yeah, you pick up his phone call and you get to have his car. So just head to its destination with the Bernie sign to pick up his car. Beautiful car. So yeah, let's go. Let's rock and roll now. Now basically what I did was, before getting the car, I just went over this fence to grab some more ammo, I believe. Ammo. Yep. And here it is. Here's the car. The Lamborghini lookalike. Very exotic sports car. Look at that. The Infernus.
Thank you, Bryce Dawkins. I hope the cash for this didn't come out of city funds.
Alright, that's it. That's it with this mission. You get this car as an additional reward for completing the mission. That's it. I'm Sam Sensei. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm out. Peace.